In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an inverted pyramid infographic in Microsoft PowerPoint. This process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to add a visually engaging component to your presentations. So, let's get started, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can create a polished infographic in no time. The first thing you'll want to do is launch PowerPoint on your desktop. If it's not already open, go ahead and find the application and give it a click. Once that's up and running, you'll need to decide whether to open an existing presentation or start from scratch with a new one. If you're starting fresh, you can set the stage for your infographic by adding any necessary photos, tables, or other content that will complement your pyramid. Next, it's time to insert our Smart Art graphic. You'll want to head over to the Insert tab, which you can find in the ribbon at the top of your screen. Click on Smart Art, and you'll see a variety of options that can transform your data into visual representations. From the menu that pops up, focus your attention on the categories listed on the left. You should find one labeled Pyramid. Click on that category, as we're specifically looking for pyramid shapes to form our infographic. Now, you'll have several pyramid design options displayed before you. Choose one that fits your presentation's aesthetic and needs, and once you've made your choice, hit OK to insert it into your slide. With your pyramid now on the slide, the next crucial step is to populate it with content. A text pane will typically appear next to your Smart Art graphic. This is where you'll insert the information that corresponds to each level of the pyramid. Keep in mind the inverted pyramid structure tends to focus on presenting information from the most general to the most specific. Feel free to edit the text box and arrange the hierarchy of your content as you see fit. Once you have your text in place, let's talk about customization. Head over to the Smart Art Design and Format tabs. These will let you adjust the colors, styles, and overall look of your pyramid to make sure it fits with the rest of your presentation. Need a more vibrant palette? Or perhaps you want a sleek, minimalist style? The choice is yours. Just take a few moments to explore these options and tweak the design to perfection. And there you have it, your very own inverted pyramid infographic, tailored and ready to enhance your PowerPoint presentation. This handy visual tool can help convey complex ideas more clearly, and hopefully you'll find it adds significant value to your work. Thank you for joining me today, and happy presenting.